So as you know, we had a major pool renovation going on since last September. Yesterday was June 5th, 2026, and it was the first day that the kids came over to go in the pool. After it was all done, the water's been balanced. It's been a 28-day cycle. You've seen the videos, I think, on the lighting that I put in, the Hayward Color Logic lighting. And when the guys went to install the lighting, they asked me what trim color to use, so my wife picked gray. Now, I didn't know this, but Hayward makes a gray eyeball jet, okay? So to match the rest of the pool lights, I bought these gray eyeball jets, okay? Now, they're really two parts, and I want you to watch this now, okay? They're going to unscrew like this, like any eyeball jet would. This is going to go in the collar where the white piece already goes that you screw this on. And then this is going to screw on there like that. And then you're going to adjust this, obviously, the way you want to. But I'm going to do an install video on these. But I did want to show you how nice these are in gray. And I always thought everything for the pool had to be white. But Hayward has come through on these. And I just bought these. This is not an endorsement. But I will go and install these, and we will see how they look compared to the white ones. I'll do a before and after shot. But Hayward gray eyeball jets, who knew? And they come in many other colors too. So this is going to complement the finish on the lights. And again, thumbs up to Hayward for another fine product.